This is Brandy with Silver River Chairs in Asheville, North Carolina. One of our favorite classes to do is seat weaving with color and pattern. There are so many different options, an infinite variety of patterns and material choices. This is a basic herringbone or twill pattern with rattan splint reed. Of course, you could jazz it up by dropping in some color. Here's some space-dyed reed and smoked reed. There are so many colors, so you're bound to find something to splash up that corner of your house that's just needing a little something extra. You can really get creative with this. Checkerboard and herringbone or twill pattern. It's really fun and easy on your hands. Here you can see a checkerboard pattern, which is the easiest one, but the most stable seat. And then you can get really crazy. We usually get graph paper out to do something like this. This is a mix of stripe and solid, as you can see, but we also really like the look of stripe on stripe. This is a very traditional shaker pattern. Shaker tape comes in a variety of different sizes, so we will need to measure your chair well in advance to make sure not only that we can get the material in time for the class, but also that we'll have the appropriate material for your chair seat. So this is a 5/8 inch and a 1 inch, and then there's one that's tricky. It happens to be one of my favorites. It's called the flame stitch. One of our more recent offerings that we're super excited about is this braided cotton cord. It's about 1/2 inch, but when pulled taut, it gets down to about 3/16, which allows for really intricate patterns. Dave did such a good job with this Greek pattern. This is cord that we make in the shop. So we are going to need a lot of lead time to make this. We'll try to bring some that we've made previously, but we're going to have to order materials and make the cord. So we do need a lot of lead time for this. But the payoff is great. Look at all these colors. You can create custom colors and blend into your own decor. What you're going to need for the class is a chair with 4 rails. They can be squared rails, but it's really best to have round rails. You want to just make sure that they're in good repair, and if there's a break in it, that's going to need to be fixed well before class begins. Otherwise, with just a few basic tools and a little creativity, you can create some stunning results. If this were a weekend class, you can probably get 2 to 4 projects finished per weekend. So send us pictures of your chairs, we'll talk about color samples, and we'll make sure we've got you set up.